Hello everyone, welcome to Paul's Tech Room. So in this video, I will be showing you how to make a unstacked area chart in Canva using the Sheets feature. First, open the Canva app. After opening the Canva app, click on the Sheet option. After clicking on the Sheet option, a blank workbook will appear on your mobile screen. After that, just tap in any of the cell. Then you can see many options are there in the bottom. Actions, just click on the actions option, click on magic charts, drag a bit up, click on chart library, select unstacked area chart, click on it. After clicking on the unstacked area chart option, as you can see, an unstacked area chart is displayed on the workbook. An unstacked area chart is displayed on the workbook, as you can see. So beneath the unstacked area chart, you can see two tabs are there. One is the data tab and other is the customize tab. The first we will see the data tab. So in the data tab, the data chart is or the Excel file is displayed. As you can see, the first column contains the months, the second and the third contains the desktop and the mobile. It is the heading. And in the month column, January, February, March, April is there, and the number of sales in the January month for the desktop is 0, mobile is 0. February, desktop 12, mobile 2. March, desktop 20, mobile 8. April, desktop 30, mobile 12. So this data is the data which is displayed as a unstacked area chart in the workbook above. So just scroll down. Now you can see import data option. So if you have made data in Excel or other worksheet, you can import that data in Canva and make an unstacked area chart here. The option to the right, you can see two arrows are there. One is the vertical, another is the horizontal. This is actually the transpose option. If you want to convert your rows into columns or columns into rows, the data which is there as rows, you can convert it into columns, or the data which is there in columns, you can convert it into rows. You have to just click on this button. The next is the delete option. You can clear the entire worksheet and insert your new data here. Next comes the chart setup. In the chart setup, you can choose what labels to show. Labels are the x-axis. For example, in this chart, my x-axis is the months: January, February, March, April, May, June up to December. So the month is displayed. And second comes the lines, what values to show. The lines are the x-axis or the lines of the unstacked area chart. So in these lines, the lines actually represent the number of sales for desktop and mobile for the respective months. Okay, then comes aggregate data. Now it is chosen none. You can make a sum of the data, you can average the data, you can count the data, you can do maximum, minimum and median calculations. Some basic statistical calculations you can perform here. Next comes the customize tab. Just click on the customize tab. In the customize tab, the first option is the text option. Legend. Legend is the name or the color indicator. For example, in this unstacked area chart, the desktop is displayed by the blue color and the mobile is displayed by the purple color, the area. If I off it, the legend will be gone, and if I click it on, the legend will appear. Next comes the exist labels. If I off it, all the labels are gone, the month names are gone, and the sales data is also gone from the y-axis. So you have to keep it on. You can add a title to your chart. For example, I will add sales data 2026, sorry, 2025. You can also add a subtitle also. See, the sales data 2025 title is displayed above the unstacked area chart. Click on edit. You can add a subtitle also. You can add a source text, or you can link any external text document here. You can name the y-axis, given y-axis title. You can name the y-axis also, given y-axis title. You can set the range of data to be displayed on the y-axis, the minimum and the maximum. Now it is default selected. You can increase or decrease the number of values to be displayed in the y-axis. For example, if I click on plus icon in the increment, just observe the changes in the unstacked area chart. First, it was when it was 0, when it was when it was reset, when it was default 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, if I increase it, say to 10, then see 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, the intermediate values increases. Okay, the chart becomes more distinctive, more clear. Next comes the settings. In the settings there are three options: grid lines, tooltips, and filters. So grid lines are the horizontal lines which you can see in the middle of the chart. If I keep it off, grid lines are gone. It's better to keep it on. The tooltips are nothing. The filters you can add to your data. See, in the filters option, you can choose the data to be filtered. So I want to filter the column headers, or there are many options: the month, the desktop, or the mobile. Okay, I will choose desktop. I want to filter the desktop data. Style, you can choose either a range slider or buttons. Range slider I will choose. Interactive color, you can choose any color for the slide. I will choose red. Set default view. See, now what filter does is, in the chart, if I move the slider to the left, wait a bit. See, if I increase or decrease the slider to the left or the right, it means the sales value of both the desktop and the mobile from 0 to 15 will only be displayed in the respective months in which sales data has gone from 0 to 15, not more than 15. And if I increase this slider to 32, the sales data in the respective months from 0 to 32 will be displayed. For example, desktop data from 0 to 32 will be displayed, and mobile data from 0 to 32 will be displayed. If I decrease it again, say to 20, the desktop sales maximum up to 20 will be displayed, and the mobile sales maximum up to 20 will be displayed. So this is the filter option. Click on edit, customize. You can add another filters, add multiple filters. I will just change the filter. I will select column headers, means the desktop or the mobile. You can choose buttons or range slider. I will choose buttons now. Okay, see, now the case is, the column headers means if I click on desktop, only the desktop data will be displayed in the unstacked area chart. If I click on mobile, both mobile and desktop will be displayed. If I click again on mobile, only desktop will be displayed. If I click on desktop, both desktop mobile will be displayed. If I click on mobile, only mobile data will be displayed. So this is all about the filters option, and this is all about the edit option. Now comes the color. The first one is the white color, which is the area of the color of the area of the chart. Second is the blue option, which is the color of the desktop. You can just click it and change it. Next comes the purple. You can also change this color. Next comes padding, the area of the chart. You can increase or decrease it. Next comes font. This all I have explained in detail in my first Canva chart tutorial. Just go and watch that video. Transparency, layers, position, nudge. Next comes more. In the more option also, you can copy the chart, you can copy the style of the chart, you can paste or duplicate the chart, you can delete the entire chart, you can select multiple portions of the chart, you can add a comment to your chart, you can lock the entire chart or lock only the position and appearance of the chart. You can link any text or website to this chart. You can add an alternative text. You can download any selected part of the chart, or you can translate the text in the chart. Now I will show how to download this chart as a whole workbook and as a single JPG or PDF file. So to download the chart, you can see a up arrow in the above part of the app. Just click on it. Just now click on download. See, if you select CSV, the entire Excel file will be downloaded as an Excel file format or XLSX format. You can choose both. If you want only the stacked unstacked area chart, only the chart image, just select JPG or PNG or PDF standard. Okay, I'll choose JPG. You can select the size of the chart, means the pixel of the chart. You can increase or decrease it. I prefer to increase and download it. Then just click on download. The image is downloaded. You can access the image in your gallery. Thank you for watching the video. We will meet in the next video tutorial of Canva charts. Till then, take care and goodbye. Thank you.